Number 63. What is the molarity of the diluted solution when each of the following solutions is diluted to the given final volume? And we have letter A. So in this case, we have 1.0 liters of a 0.250 molar solution of iron 3 nitrate, which is FeNO3, and that's being diluted to a final volume of 2.00 liters. Okay, so they told us, diluted 3 times. So we're clearly doing a dilution here, right, with molarities and volumes. So the formula for dilutions is this. It's just M1V1 equals M2V2. We just have to pick the pairs. We just need to find out the molarity and the volume that correspond with one another, and then the other pair as well. It's pretty easy to pick out though. Look at this one right here. Do you see how they give you a liter or a volume, and then they say of a molarity? Whenever you see this setup, especially with the volume of a molarity, that is one pair. So I know that this liter and this molarity have to go on one side of the equation. Doesn't matter which one you do, I'll put it on the left side. So this molarity is 0.250, and this corresponding volume is 1.00 liters. 50% of it done, right? We just got to find out these two. Well, they said that it was diluted to a final volume of 2 liters, so I know that this side is 2 liters. Now I just got to find out what the molarity is, but that was what the question was. What is the molarity? We don't know. We have to solve it. So I'm going to label that as X. Now we're just going to plug in 0.250 times 1 equals X times 2. We're going to solve for X, right? So in this case, we're solving for X. We have to divide by 2.00. Divide 2.00 by both sides. Get rid of that. And now we just solve for X, right? So basically 0.25 divided by 2. So 0.125. Lowest number of sig figs I see is 3. Each number has 3 sig figs, so my answer should have 3 sig figs. And the unit for molarity, just follow the other molarity unit. This one was a capital M, so it's a capital M. You could have also said mole over liter, because that's what molarity is. That's the other unit. But since they said capital M, I'm going to do capital M. And that's it. So what's the molarity of the solution? 0.125 molarity. Just know that when you're diluting, you're always going from a higher molarity to a lower molarity. All right? So always diluting, you always bring that molarity downward. And that's it. Guys, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Give this video a like. Thumbs it up. Thumbs it up. And smash the subscribe button. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.